Hello everyone, this is Graham from Unbox Tech Reviews, where today we're going to have a look at the Umidigi A7 Pro. So we'll start by having a look at the box here. So it's got like a slidey bit that comes off there. Put that to one side. You've got your Umidigi logo on the front there. Information on the bottom. A7 Pro 128 gig version, and this is the ocean blue colour. We've got some specs on the back there. You can see the CPU is the MT6763 octa-core processor that runs at up to 2 GHz. It's running Android 10. It's got 4 gig RAM and 128 gig memory. And it's got space for 2 nano SIM cards and 1 micro SD card. The battery is 4150 milliamp, and it's got a 6.3 inch full HD water drop screen with a resolution of 1080 by 2340. And the camera there, you can see it's a AI quad camera setup, which I'll go into a little bit later on. So we'll go ahead and open the box. Well, thank you note there from Umidigi. Giveaway ended to win. Be worth a quick look at. Got the phone there. Just put that to one side for a sec and see what else we get in the box. Your cable. Got your standard USB to USB-C cable there, and because we're in the UK, we've got the standard UK charger. Inside here, got your SIM tray removal tool and your instruction guide. I'll just put that to one side for a sec. We'll go ahead, have a look at the phone. So you can see it comes with a case pre-installed. So I'll take that case off for now, just so we can have a look at this phone. You can see it's got the protection on, so we'll just put a fingerprint scanner on the back there. Got your quad camera setup. I'll just talk a little bit about that. So it's an AI quad camera setup with a 5 megapixel macro camera, a 16 megapixel ultra wide angle, a 5 megapixel depth cam, and a 16 megapixel main camera. And the front facing camera there is also 16 megapixel. So we'll go ahead and take these screen protectors off. It's got really nice glass front and back, so it's 2.5D curved glass and a solid metal frame. So then you can see on this side here you've got your power button and your volume rocker. On the bottom you've got your speaker, your USB-C input, power input, and your 3.5mm headphone jack. On this side you've got your SIM tray. So then back you got your quad camera set up and your fingerprint scanner there. Really nice colour, this one. You can see it's a really nice attractive phone. Solid metal frame, glass front and back. So what I'm going to do now is turn the phone on and get it set up so we can have a look at the phone in action. Right, so I've set the phone up now, so we'll go ahead, open it up and have a look. So like I say, this is stock Android 10, so there's no bloatware on there, there's no advertising apps or anything like that. So as you can see there, standard Google apps. There's no app drawer on this either, so your apps are just swipe left and right. You can see the responsiveness of the screen. So go ahead, just go into settings so you can have a look. So you can see the storage there. So you've got 10.51 gig used out of 128 gig. You can chuck a micro SD card in this as well, up to 256 gig. Yeah, we'll have a look at the security features. So you can do fingerprint. So you can see there, the fingerprint scanners on the back. So go next. Just touch the sensor. So you just move your finger around in different places. There you go. Done. So I turn the phone off, touch the fingerprint scanner, instantly unlocks. Very quick. Instant. So it's a really good fingerprint scanner. Instantly unlocks the phone. Just have a system information there. Advanced features, you can see updated to Android 10. About the phone, A7 Pro. You can see I've got 2 SIM cards in there. Gift Gaff Vodafone, so you can see at the top there, 4G signal for them both. Connected to the Wi-Fi as well. Look at some swipe down features there. So you've got your standard connection options, Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, your do not disturb button, flashlight. You've got your auto rotate, battery saver, mobile data, dark theme. Just click into that so you can see that activates the dark menus there. That's accessible from the scroll down menu. Airplane mode, location screencast and screen recorder. Just have a look. Got YouTube there.
Hello everyone, this is Graham from Unbox Tech Reviews.
You can see responsive, pinch and zoom.
B-Link GS King X.
Nice sound Android from the bottom speaker there.
TV box.
It just comes from this speaker port at the bottom.
Having a look in the box.
It's a really good looking screen. Vibrant colours, responsive. It's everything you want. Remember, this is I would say it's a budget phone. Price £130 on Amazon. So it's not massively expensive, and you're getting a lot in there for your money with the octa-core Helio P23 processor, a 4000 milliamp battery, 4 gig RAM, 128 gig ROM, dual SIM, micro SD card expansion slot. So you're getting a lot of phone for your money. Glass front and back, metal frame, quad camera setup, which we'll have a look at now. I'll just chuck it into the camera mode. Let's set this so you can see there. So you can see you've got instant zoom 1 and 2 times, and you can zoom right up to 8. You've also got your macro lens there, and you've got ultra wide angle, all at the touch of a button. I'll just take some sample pictures there. Really easy to use. Got your portrait mode, your night mode, panorama. And we'll go back to the video, and you've got slow motion. So you've got lots and lots of options there for your camera. Really good features. It's a really nice camera. I'll put some camera footage as well in the review video. I'll include that. So I'll include some video footage and some pictures taken from the camera as well. You can see it's really fast, responsive phone for your money. Brilliant. Really nice clear screen. Got the headphone jack on the bottom. It is really responsive. I'll download a game now and I'll show you how it handles playing a game. So I've downloaded a game just for you to have a quick look at how it handles playing a game. So we'll just load the game up and see how well it does. Let's have a quick go of the free mode. This is just a free game I downloaded from the Play Store. You see it handles the game really well, no stuttering, really smooth gameplay there, lovely quality on the screen, nice and responsive touch controls. So there you can see, handles the game really well. Switch between the open apps really well. Let's have a look at the browser there. Let's see, really easy. Switch between open browsers, your tabs. Simple, nice responsive screen. I'll show you quickly the face unlock feature as well. So if you unlock the phone, and then if I just look at the phone, it'll unlock. Lock it again. That's me looking at the phone, unlocking it. Really easy. So the face unlock feature works really well, just like everything else on this phone. And you've got your smart assistant there, your navigation bar. You can have a choice of how to set that navigation bar up. There's the face unlock feature that I've just been going on about. Really easy to set up, took us a matter of seconds to get that set up as well. So I think that's just about everything I can show you on the phone for now. Like I say, I will include some camera footage, some still pictures and some video footage taken from this camera as well, so you can see the quality of that. But I think that's everything for now for the Umidigi A7 Pro. I hope you've enjoyed the video. If you have, give it a like and a share, subscribe to the channel. Some more cool products coming up really soon. But for now, Thanks for watching, guys, and see you next time.